That shit on my bitches, taking my dose and never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol grip, and still got 100 plus. Got that big up in my cup. Stay with a bitch in a club, stay with my dick in a guts. Yeah, Little the king and the great self. Fuck, I don't fuck with LA. Sheesh, private jet, fuck the lake. Went to Paris and back in the day. Okay, I won't never. Okay, bitch, stop asking. Came up supporting my family, just for that they should give me a Grammy. Running the dog in the slammer, thinking about cocking the hammer. The lights, the glitter, the glamour. None of this shit even matter. None of this shit make me happy. Went up in rehab instead of a casket, locking me up and they had the rooms padded. Magistrate checking my fashion.
Ripping that motherfucker grammar, ripping that money to color soul. Singing out loud and down the bitches, thinking that I'm a lover. No reason I keep on shrugging, blunt is cash, let's keep on coming on it. Biggie beat from bugging, from seeking out more destruction. I'm a promise of time, but I never know that these bitches want me to fly them out just because I have the glow. All these fly boys wanna be me, but they keep it on the low and talk shit about me and my cousin while we down and through I go. All this fame is such a curse. Sometimes I wish I wasn't close. Watch me raise the fucking dead next time I'm on stage at a show. Haunted, 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 haunted.
Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have to talk with God all the time. Yeah, haunted, haunted. Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have this talk with God all the time. Yeah.
Psycho ward to the mental, I'm a dog. In the wards, got the 50 in my bar. Skate the block off them Zannies, so I'm calm. Cough a lot, bring the damage to my lungs. Ay, dope smoking, gun toting, I'm a killer's killer. Pill popper, I don't know a lot, we really sick of. Full of nigga, Coney drinker, fucking up my liver. Pull the trigger up the dollar to the highest bidder. Ooh la la, what's the vibe? Pussy bump. AK boom, put them in they tune, take lives just because. Say nah, I'm a 5 from the drugs. Bring that hoe, get a bitch some dick, she get off of my nut. She gon' deep throat it till she cry. Got my face tatted on her thigh. Realest motherfucker from the fight. Every meal the last supper when you got.
Send me the fucking natty and I'll see y'all in a second. Keys to the fleet with caddy, push to start the 911. Drive, they bitch you crazy, yeah, they always trying to date me, trying to save me. It's all because I suck her titties like a baby. Make me all you want, better watch your back, I never front. You got products, I got the match, ain't nothing change except the chunk. Knock the piss out of pussy boy, trust. Snort a 30 off the 40, let it bust. Give me bread, watch how quick I start to duck. I put Fenty on the toe, she put Fenty in my cup. What with all this racket, what the fuck with all this fuss? We be unapproachable, but still they bomb rush. Oh my, suicide, you're that guy. You're that guy who wanna die, what's your side? She a 9 personality.